First playoffs. First playoffs sa coach. With playing coach. A lot of things to really to learn, especially with this team. Obviously, we were outplayed, outcoached the Top and Tex. I remember I told them, sinabi ko sa kanila that we really have to expect Top and Tex will really come out really strong going to this game. They did. Yun talaga sinabi ko sa kanila na if we want to be one of the best team here in the PBA, we have to beat the best team. For us to do that, we have to beat Top and Tex. We have to be the best team, playoff team. What I like today is, they kept fighting into today's game. Hindi sila nag-back down agad. I thought they fought all the way. But again, the most important thing right now is for us to look into this conference kung ano yung mga kailangan namin i-improve, especially this kind of games. We have to be prepared to play this kind of games, playoff games. Young team. A lot of things that tingin ko marami pang kailangan matutunan ng mga players. Vets will be always, dyan lang lagi ang mga veterano. Siyempre, kailangan mo na rin maghanda. Hindi naman natin na dyan yung mga veterano. So, yun lang. A lot of positive that can take away this conference. And hopefully, when we get back, we get back stronger. And sabi nga sa kanila, we don't have any choice, we have to get back stronger. Wala tayong choice. If we don't, then might as well not join the PBA anymore next conference. Yun lang yan. Diba? Make this be a big lesson for us. Sinabi ko na sa kanila, mga kailangan sabihin. Pero still, ganun pa rin ang nangyari. But this team has a big potential, I can say. We just have to put it together. And mabuo kami as a team. Kaya, yun.
Coach, ikaw personally, paano walang ginagrasp tong first conference mo as a head coach? How much of a learning curve was this lang for you?
Again, I just have to take a look at myself first. Ano yung mga kailangan kong i-improve. Definitely, against Coach Chot, I was also, if I'm coaching, I did not play, hindi masasabi ko na out-coach talaga ako. Kasi ganun talaga. Just like my players, they still have a lot of things to learn, and lalo na ako. Sabi ko kay Coach Chot kanina, dami akong natutunan. Not only in today's game, but in this conference. So I will get better also, but I have to take a look at myself in the mirror also. Tama ba yung pinapagawa ko sa mga bata? Tama ba yung sinasabi? In the end, always the coach will always take the full responsibility. The players will give their best, definitely. But again, in the end, coach naman yan eh. Diba, nasa sa coach yan. So I take full responsibility for this conference. But I told them, I will make sure that we will get back stronger next conference. Sabi ko sa kanila, personally, I know how it takes to win in the playoff game. Pero hindi naman ako naglalaro eh. Di ba? Hindi naman ako pwede maglaro kung 50 ako eh. O hindi naman ako pwede maglaro kung 48 minutes eh. Di ba? So, they need to learn. Di ba? So, yun lang yung hopefully, tutunan ng mga bata, mga players. And this break will give us time, more time, and hopefully we can get an import that can be an additional leader to those young players. So, yun. Of course, personally disappointed. Probably after how many years, it's my first time to be out in the quarterfinals. Personally, as a player naman, talking about as a player naman, disappointed ako kasi this is my first time after how many years na na-out kaagad ako sa quarterfinals. I don't know when was the last time, but again, I will bring this lesson to, moving forward. Ganun lang naman talaga. If you want to build a best team, everyone will start in the bottom, and we will climb up, and we will definitely.
Coach, na-mention mo yung potential, sabi mo, your team has a lot of potential. But do you think yung piyesa mo na yan, are you sold with that or may mga few pieces pa na gusto mo
Yes,
dagdag?
actually, I'm really okay with the composition of the team right now. If you think about it, I can use 11, 12 players that can really play. Diba? So it's just a matter of how they will blend. Malaking bagay din kasi nawala si Jerome, and then Paul. Tapos pumasok si Yukien this week lang. Si Chris Kuhn pumasok middle of the conference or start na yung conference. So, there's a lot of things that we need to build together. When we need it together, we cannot put in players na this day or this week, di ba? Hindi na eh. So, I want to build this team with this composition. Kung nakikita nyo naman yung potential din naman eh, di ba? Obvious naman yung potential ng team namin. Di ba? So yun yung we will build from here. We build from here.
Coach, plano mo pa bang playing coach or next conference?
We'll see. Actually, ito, nag-playing coach na ako because Jerome nga wasn't, sure kung makakabalik. Pero hats off sa bata, talagang pinilit niya maglaro today. And he did really well. Imagine if he was healthy, probably may chance kami last game eh. Baka wala kami sa ganitong sitwasyon, di ba? So, but he played through the pain, hats off to the kid na gusto niyang tumulong. So, yun lang, I fell short. So, but, we'll see. But ako naman, I want to join practices for them to see. Kung ano yung... Siyempre mga bata yan eh. They want to do things on their own right away. And iniba ko talaga completely kasi yung sistema nila. For the past years na nasanay sila. So yung system nila, yung habits nila wasn't there pa eh. Diba? So medyo nahihirapan pa sila. Sometimes nasa stuck pa sila. Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin. So yun yung mga things na kailangan namin planuhin at puliduhin this break. Okay. Thank you. Late na tapos yung